why I traded in my BMW for the SI was because I wanted more of an enthusiast car. Like, I miss driving stick, having a reliable car, something I could modify. It was definitely a lot cheaper to modify this car. I mean, I've done a few things so far. I've only had it for like 2 weeks, so. But yeah, I have a lot of plans for the future, and I wanted a car that's gonna last me like a couple of years, you know. So right off the bat, when I got the car, I obviously changed the Honda logo. I just think it looks a lot better aesthetically. I wrapped the side lights. I didn't like the orange. The rear smoke light for the reverse smoked out. And I got D2 lowering springs because I just hate wheel gap. And I didn't want to go that low, so I didn't think coilover was necessary. So I kept the electronic dampening from the car. All right, it's future mods. Aesthetically, I guess I would just get a front lid. I'm not really like, I don't want any flares or diffusers or anything like that. Wheels, I do want something real and light, maybe like some gram lights or RPF ones, or like, you know, the cheaper route that everyone has though. I definitely want to get into some bolt-ons like intake, downpipe, front pipes, intercooler. I know PRL is probably the most popular brand for this car, and obviously like a K-tuner would be pretty sweet. So my first car in high school was a 2004 530i, so an E60 BMW. And I didn't really do too much to that, which is kind of like my first car. After that, I've always wanted a Subi, so I ended up getting, like towards the end of senior year, I got a 2013 WRX. It's like my dream car. I was like super stoked about it. It was so much fun to drive, but within like the 2 years that I owned it, I had so many problems with it. I probably went through like 3 motors with it at least. It was a freaking nightmare, but it was really hard to part ways. Like, that was my baby, you know, my dream car. When I finally forced myself to part ways with it, I got a 2013 335i F30, and I really liked it. It treated me really good. Like, it did some bolt-ons, tune, and something just wasn't there for me. Like, I think it's because it was automatic. Like, I missed driving stick, so I ended up partying out with it, and I got this. And this kind of feels like when I first got my Subi, like the same amount of happiness. And I never really thought I liked the Honda because I didn't really care for them growing up. But it's definitely a lot of fun to drive so far. It's probably gonna be more fun when I mod it, but we'll see, because I never owned a front wheel drive car, so it feels kind of weird. Thanks guys for having me. It's like, next time you guys see the car, hopefully it's gonna look a lot different. I'm stoked to see what's gonna come forward with this, but yeah, thank you guys. Have a good one.